I actually almost quit Vive 18. Before it even existed, I was throwing these drug-free events and parties on my college campus, starting a movement, and people around the country were asking, how do you do this? I had a sense of purpose. I was feeling great, and I thought, man, this thing is going to take off. What I didn't realize is that it would be extremely difficult. It would challenge me. And at one point, I was ready to give up. All I could think about is how difficult this was and how, what if I'm not the leader to take this on? What if I'm not good enough? But a mentor told me the strength of a leader is determined by what they do when they're under a challenge. Do you break down or do you break through? Maybe you're facing something right now that's really difficult. A challenge in your mental health, in your family, in your relationship with friends, in setting those big goals and trying to reach them. No matter what it is, we're all tempted to focus inside on us. But if we're able to flip that around and focus on our purpose, we will go further every time and we will break through those challenges instead of breaking down. So when you start to feel sorry for yourself, instead of focusing on regret, focus on developing resilience. And that means continuing the walk because the mission is worth it.